Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of compact weaponry to see how functionality can be packed into small designs. From pistols and rifles to crossbows and self-defense tools, there's plenty to explore. Sarah jogs daily, but she's aware that speed isn't always enough when it comes to personal safety. That's why she carries a powerful little secret, a small frame revolver tucked neatly into her running bag. It holds 5 rounds and can be fitted with either .22 Magnum or .22 long rifle ammunition, depending on the cylinder in use. Weighing just 184 grams, it's light enough to go unnoticed. Its foldable construction leaves room for her keys, phone, and other daily carry items. While it may not pack a massive punch, it's more than enough to give her a fighting chance if danger strikes, a solid reason to keep it close. Here's another small-scale firearm worth mentioning. At a glance, it resembles a toy more than a real gun. Chambered for .22 long rifle, it's not the strongest in terms of stopping power, but it's incredibly easy to operate and comes with a 9-round magazine. Only 13 centimeters long, it fits easily in most pockets. While many enthusiasts buy it for novelty or collection, it still performs well in casual shooting and basic self-defense. Let's bring in a jolt of electricity. Check out this stun gun. You can either apply it directly or shoot a specialized cartridge from up to 6 meters away, making it ideal for use indoors or in open areas. After a 3-second contact, muscle control starts to falter in the target. It's a smart choice for law enforcement, bodyguards, and civilians alike. Now here's a truly handy gadget, weighing in at only 90 grams. It's a multi-use sound and light deterrent tool made for fending off aggressive animals. If an angry dog charges at you, this little device blasts a 1,000,000 candle alight and emits a 130 decibel sound, louder than most alarms. It's not just for scaring off animals either. With the ability to launch red and green, flares up to 80 meters. It's a favorite among hikers, anglers, and hunters. This next tool looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a pepper spray launcher designed for correctional officers and police. The unit shoots a burst of pepper powder up to 3 meters. It weighs just 2.5 grams, and can be easily clipped to a uniform or vest. One-handed operation means it's fast and practical, especially for subduing uncooperative suspects or deterring wild animals in close quarters. Airsoft fans will appreciate this sleek little pistol. At just 430 grams, it's pocket-sized and works with the Remag system, meaning you can link it to an external magazine. Its steel bolt cycles visually with each shot, enhancing realism. It fires standard 6mm BBs, and the manufacturer advises using green gas to maintain performance over time. Here's another airsoft gun, perfect for casual use or indoor play. It has a 4-barrel layout and a simple rear sight. Each barrel fires individually, thanks to a rotating disc that shows which is next with a red indicator. The trigger is hidden, so it can't be precocked, but that just adds to its charm. Fans of historic firearms will appreciate its resemblance to early 20th century Mossberg designs. Measuring 15.5 centimeters, this next pistol is slightly larger, but still ideal for everyday concealed carry. It fires 9x19mm rounds and comes in several different colors to suit personal tastes. The compact crossbow market is also thriving, and this example shows why. It blends rapid-fire capability with a limb system that can be swapped out quickly. Just under 58 centimeters long, and weighing about 3 kilograms, this crossbow can unleash 7 bolts in 4 seconds. It ships with a standard 7-shot magazine, but there's an optional 12-bolt version. Built-in safety features automatically engage after each cocking to help prevent mishaps. This tiny tool is great for both backcountry use and urban defense. It can launch flares, flashbangs, and pepper projectiles, making it a versatile pick for confronting threats, whether animal or human. It weighs only 90 grams and includes options to mount a flashlight or laser for better targeting. Take a look at this classic rifle, a Ruger 10-22 made back in 1964. It might not look old thanks to the Tandem Cross Manor X lower receiver upgrade. With this system, you can swap in new stocks, mounts, and accessories while adjusting trigger responsiveness. Some versions even allow for quick takedown of the optics and barrel assembly with just one motion. Next up, we have a lineup of ultra-slim pistols made for serious concealed carry users. These handguns are roughly the size of a smartphone and under 2 centimeters thick. The 45 ACP model weighs around 700 grams thanks to its stainless steel frame. Some variations even chamber 7.62 by 39mm rounds. An unusual but daring choice. Would you carry one of these? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Here's a micro-pistol engineered for easy snag-free drawing. Its smooth contours prevent it from catching on clothing or bags, while polymer grips ensure steady handling. It shoots .380 Satru ACP rounds and holds 6 in the standard mag, with an option for 1 more in the extended version. Plus, you can choose from a variety of finish colors to match your style. Last but not least is a compact semi-auto pistol from the early 1900s that never really caught on. That's a shame, considering its unique design elements. For instance, the trigger guard is detached, letting you fire with just your thumb. Measuring under 12 centimeters and chambered for 6.35 by 15mm Browning. Cartridges, it held 6 rounds. Though it went into production and received a patent, it was ultimately overshadowed by more mainstream designs, becoming a rare piece of firearms history. This compact twin-barrel handgun is available in several calibers, including .22 Magnum, 9mm, and .38 Special. It offers a surprisingly pleasant shooting experience and is incredibly easy to conceal, thanks to its minimal dimensions. Measuring under 14 centimeters in length and less than 2.6 centimeters at its thickest point, the grip, it easily fits in a deep coat or pants pocket. Most users praise its ergonomic feel in the hand. The only limitation? It holds just 2 rounds. But honestly, would an attacker ever stop to count? When it comes to self-defense tools, this concealed carry knife is a smart addition. Engineered for discretion, it fits snugly into a boot or under a pant leg with its included sheath. The overall length is 12.7 centimeters, with a 6.4 centimeter double-edged blade. Crafted from Japanese AUS 6 steel, a favorite among many major knife brands, it's known for its ease of sharpening and resistance to chipping. A textured grip ensures reliable handling, even in high-stress situations. Turkish arms engineers developed this next shotgun specifically to meet Canadian firearm regulations. The result? A compact 12-gauge scattergun that, at least upon release, was fully compliant with Canadian law. At 58 centimeters long and weighing only 2 kilograms, it can be carried in a backpack or even worn in a belt holster. Don't let the size fool you. It delivers serious stopping power. Sometimes the intersection of creative gun, laws, and clever engineering leaves you speechless. Now to a crossbow that's earned major recognition. At the 2023 ATA show, this model took the spotlight as the top new release. Underneath its sleek and compact exterior lies serious firepower. Bolts reach speeds of 91 meters per second, qualifying it for hunting use. And weighing just 1 kilogram, it's a dream to carry on long treks. With an overall length of about 40 centimeters, it stows away easily in most backpacks. Check out this revolver-style shotgun, another Turkish innovation crafted for the Canadian market. Similar to the compact 12-gauge mentioned earlier, this one uses .410 bore shells. While some might consider that underpowered, others appreciate it for training, home defense, and small game hunting. It measures 61 centimeters in length, weighs just 2 kilograms, and fits easily into a hiking pack or tactical belt setup. Next up is a small, reliable pistol that gained popularity in the late 1990s. Originally chambered in 7.65 by 17mm and later adapted to 380 ACP, this compact semi-auto was marketed for both civilian and police use. With a fully loaded 7-round magazine, it tips the scale at just 267 grams. There's no external manual safety, but thanks to its internal automatic mechanism, accidental discharge is highly unlikely, unless the trigger is purposefully engaged. Think this next item is just a novelty? Think again. At first glance, this tiny revolver looks more like a keychain accessory than an actual firearm. But it can fire a 2mm projectile capable of penetrating a soda can. Weighing only 10 grams, it's one of the smallest functional guns ever made. Here's another example of pocket-sized firepower with an enduring legacy. This pistol has seen more than 500,000 units sold worldwide and remains in production today. Its roots trace back to 1927. Measuring only 10 centimeters long and weighing 275 grams, it uses 6.35 by 15mm Browning rounds and feeds from a 6-shot magazine. Now let's talk about compact tactical pistols, favored by American military and law enforcement. Their reduced length, just 42 centimeters, makes them ideal for use in confined spaces. You can pivot 180 degrees in a narrow hallway with ease. Despite their size, these pistols can still accurately hit targets up to 10 meters away, delivering full-sized performance in a tight package. The legendary Tombstone double barrel was originally designed as a hunting firearm, but gained fame in American saloons and on horseback during the Civil War era. Now, a scaled-down 1:2 replica has hit the market. It's not just for show. This version is fully functional. Only 500 of these collector-grade pieces were crafted, making them a rare treasure for history buffs and enthusiasts alike. These minimalist blades are built for stealth and utility, featuring a sheath that clips directly onto your wristwatch strap. While their effectiveness in a defensive situation is debatable, they certainly shine for everyday tasks, like slicing through packaging or rope. And when you're in a tight spot, having any tool is better than having none at all. Last but not least, we spotlight a knife designed by Joe Caswell, a man of many talents, from welding and journalism to music. His standout creation is a series of tactical blades featuring a unique kinematic opening mechanism. Using a twin lever system, the knife can be deployed one-handed with your thumb, dramatically reducing the risk of accidental cuts. While first responders benefit the most from this innovative design, outdoor adventurers, survivalists, and gear collectors are just as eager to get their hands on one. Up next is a lightweight, lever-operated rimfire rifle chambered in a small caliber. It offers a reloading speed that comes remarkably close to that of semi-automatic models. Beneath the barrel, you'll find a tubular magazine that accommodates 10 rounds of .22 long rifle ammunition. Thanks to its walnut wood stock, the rifle not only feels great in hand, but also has a refined, classic look. In the crowded market of personal defense gear, many manufacturers aim for products that blend subtle design with quick accessibility. The gadgets featured here reflect that philosophy well. The first item resembles a fashion ring, but is actually made from fiberglass reinforced nylon, encased in a discreet protective shell. Its jagged edge makes it an effective emergency tool. The second device takes things further. It combines the same reinforced material with a pointed end for striking and integrates a compact pepper spray unit for additional defense. This air-powered revolver is tailored for recreational shooting, paintball, and training purposes. Its sleek Italian design drew plenty of admiration at the EOS 2025 Expo. Among its notable features is a convenient cap system that simplifies the installation of 12-gram CO2 cartridges. The red indicator markings assist in aligning the cartridge correctly. Other highlights include a comfortable trigger design, a fiber optic front sight, and a 6-shot cylinder. Enthusiasts will also value its dual Picatinny rails and Weaver-compatible mount for adding tactical attachments. In a unique twist, the designers of this pre-charged pneumatic air pistol decided to include a detachable stock, giving it the feel of a compact carbine. It features a relatively small 40 cubic centimeter air reservoir, along with a built-in pressure gauge for easy monitoring. Without the stock, the unit weighs around 900 grams, increasing to approximately 1.3 kilograms when fully assembled. Buyers can choose from 3 calibers: 4.5mm, 5.5mm, and 6.35mm. Is this a firearm? Absolutely, and it's a fascinating one. Weighing just 180 grams, it's remarkably compact but still manages to incorporate practical features. Safety notches are built directly into the rear of the cylinder. With a quick cylinder swap, users can switch between 22 long rifle and 22 magnum ammunition. While not powerful in the traditional sense, its purpose is rooted in discretion and surprise, ideal for undercover scenarios. In one review, a user even described wearing it on a necklace. Let's move on. Keep your eyes and ears covered. This bolt-action rifle, chambered in 22 long rifle, is specifically made to teach children firearm fundamentals and safety. It stands out not only for its bright, attention-grabbing colors, but also for including many features found in full-size rifles, a manual safety, peep rear sight, and bolt mechanism. With a total length of 76 centimeters and a weight of 1.3 kilograms, it's well balanced for young shooters. It even comes packaged with ear protection. Some reviewers claim this compact crossbow is the fastest of its size class. Measuring 67 centimeters in length, it fires bolts at speeds reaching 140 meters per second. Whether that's a world record is up for debate, but its hunting-oriented design offers plenty of benefits. It weighs just 3.3 kilograms and allows for steady aim without shifting focus from the target. Tailored for sport shooting, this 9x19mm pistol is optimized for competition use. It's on the heavier side at 1.3 kilograms, but that added weight helps reduce felt recoil and enhance aiming stability. The front and rear sights are easy to realign, while the magazine features extended rails and frame grooves for fast, efficient reloads. The Extreme S firing system also lowers the trigger pull force for quicker follow-up shots. If you're just getting into firearms, or even if you're an experienced shooter, this compact pistol may be just what you need. Built for everyday carry and personal protection, it measures slightly over 17 centimeters in length, weighs about 600 grams, and holds 12 rounds of 9x19mm ammunition. A chamber inspection port makes it easy to check for a loaded round. Its practical size and smart design make it a worthy addition to any collection. When you think of a pistol, you might picture a law enforcement sidearm or an old dueling revolver. But this model offers something entirely different. It's essentially a pistol-caliber carbine receiver, equipped with optional sling mounts and a detachable stock. Chambered in 9x19mm, it comes with either 10 or 17 round magazines, depending on the version. Weighing in at 2.3 kilograms, it's a solid choice for home defense or recreational shooting.